This Vectra's a pile of shit. I was driving it on the motorway a few weeks ago. It didn't go into limp mode, but it misfired once, and then the EML light came on, and then it drove fine all the way back. But I'm just scanning it now. Now every journey, the engine management light comes on and it just runs like a bag of shit, basically. So, oh, come on, get off. Yeah, so it just runs like a bag of shit. So I've already scanned it, but I'm going to scan it again just to show you. If anyone doesn't know, by the way, the OBD2 port on these Vectras is in the little ashtray thing. Just pop that out. Right. Vectra. It is, yep. Come on. I wonder what that one is. That's weird. I'm gonna look at that. So yeah, injector 3 circuit open. So that's on there. And then now I'll show you what I found when I unplugged injector 3. Right, so check this out. Good. Good. Oh no! What has happened here? What has happened here? I don't know what has happened here. It's dragged the wire out. And there's broken copper wire everywhere. There's nothing in here. Just see it there. Yep, knackered. So I'm gonna just put a new connector on. And this one's fine. So yeah, hopefully that's an easy fix.